Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a very popular Korean skincare product. It's the NEOGEN Bio-Peel Gentle Gauze Peeling Exfoliator. This is the wine one. There are two other flavors, green tea and lemon. This one is meant to smell like grape. It's quite nice. So let me show you how it looks like. Actually, I want to be hygienic, especially because of COVID-19. So give me 1 second. So I want to use this tweezer, which I got from a different product. It's the Tangerine Vitamin C pad. All right, let me show you how it looks like. See, I'm almost halfway through with this product because I love it so much. Just picking it up with the tweezer, you see how there are two sides. So this is the smooth side and this is the rough side. Not sure if you can see, but it looks like this. What this product claims to do is manually and chemically provide gentle yet effective exfoliation of dead skin cells, leaving skin smooth and clear. So this product is essentially an exfoliator. It's both physical and chemical. It's physical because the texture is quite rough. That's why it's the gauze type. It is also a chemical exfoliator because of these ingredients, which also help you to renew your skin cell and remove dead skin. So this is how I use it. After I finished cleansing my face, I take out one gauze and slip my fingers in the sleeve of the gauze. So using the rough side, you gently sweep across your face and also on your neck. You go for an upward motion and also don't press too hard on your face because it is quite rough. So be gentle with it and avoid your eye areas. And after you're done with that, flip the pad. You'll notice that the other side is more soft. It's the quilted side, and that is meant to just smooth out your skin and pick up any remaining waste and debris or excess liquid on your face. And the third step is just to rinse your face with warm water. And after that, you just put on your normal toner and your normal skincare routine. It is actually very satisfying to see what it's actually picked up. You see how there's a bit of black debris on the gauze side. And the pad, the soft pad, is a bit yellow too. So it's good to see, it's very satisfying to see that it has picked up these waste from my skin. The recommended usage is 2 times a week, but do not use any exfoliant on your skin every single day. That is way too rough on your skin. It will actually strip off its natural oils and it will cause your face to break out even more. What I love about this product is there are 30 individual gauze, so you don't have to, open up the jar and then scoop it out and then put it on your face. You just use one and then throw it out. It's so convenient. The second thing is, after I put it on my face, you can see the before and after. It does smooth out the texture of my skin and my skin does feel brighter. Another thing that people love this product is the smell. I remember the first time when I used it, I said to myself, I'm buying this just for the smell of it. It just smells so good. But it has been about 5 months of using this product and the smell actually has faded. Now it smells a little bit like chemical and alcohol. It is definitely not a long-lasting smell. Yeah, I was definitely disappointed when the smell went away. But what I don't like about this product is I haven't seen any long-term results. I reckon this is good if you just want to have a quick fix to your bumpy skin. And the second thing you guys need to be aware of is it is not good for sensitive skin because of all the chemical ingredients that's in here to make it a chemical exfoliant. I have seen a lot of people say that after using it, they have red patches or they break out. So only use this product if you don't have sensitive skin. Soco Glam sells this product for about $27, but keep in mind that is USD. So if we do a quick conversion, that is about $46.60 Australian. Yes Style is a little bit more expensive. It's about $57.39. It is not a cheap product for 30 pads. That's why I don't use it that often. Out of 10, I give this product 8. And do I recommend this? I do recommend it because it is quite convenient. If you want to use a quick exfoliant before your big night out, that's it for NEOGEN, and I will definitely be buying the lemon and the green tea one to try it out, and later on maybe I'll do a comparison. So if you have used this product before, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. I will see you next time. Bye! If the fingers don't fit, you must acquit.